I'd like to ask kasi madami rin nagtatanong, no, nung tumakbo po ang team ni Senator Bato sa Supreme Court and wala pong linabas na TRO, at that point ba pwede bang arestuhin si Bato or kailangan hintayin po yung resolution ng Supreme Court?
Well, pag walang TRO, they can enforce the warrant of arrest. No?
And Senator Bato is considered as fugitive po.
Yes, I think he is a fugitive from justice now dahil he has been evading the service of the warrant of arrest. That's the definition of a fugitive from justice, no?
Right, right. Yun nga po, no, kasi ngayon po, recently, kumbaga parang ang stand po ng DOJ ay parang yan po ay isang technical term, hindi po nila diretsang masabi na fugitive ito si Senator Bato de la Rosa. What do you make of how is the government handling the situation that involves Senator Bato de la Rosa? Are they being too careful? Because we all understand that the ICC warrant of Senator Bato de la Rosa is no different from the warrant of the former president.
That is correct. It's the same warrant. It says the same effect, no? So dapat they should enforce it. Wala namang TRO. So mahirap yung teka-teka. Sasabihin na i-enforce, pinadala yung NBI, tapos babawiin. They have to be consistent. Ang tingin ko naman dyan, valid yung warrant of arrest because may jurisdiction naman yung ICC.